Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to redeem gift codes in Archero 2. Redeeming gift codes in Archero 2 is quick and easy. First, locate your user ID in the top left corner of your screen. Tap the button beside it to copy your ID. Once that's done, open your browser and search for Archero 2 gift code. Click the official redemption site, not the one for Archero 1. Paste your user ID, enter a valid gift code. Type in the verification code shown above the redeem button. Remember that code refreshes each time, so double check it before submitting. Press redeem, confirm with yes, and if the code is still active, the rewards will be sent directly to your in-game mailbox. Simply head to your menu, open your mail, press claim all to receive your rewards instantly. And that's it. Stay updated, redeem codes quickly, and don't miss out on limited time bonuses that give you a real edge in Arc Hero 2. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.